saying 2-1 or something. 2-1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Whoa!
Say 1, 2, 3, go.
Nan and Grandpa are teaching you can jump on beds. That's not too good, is it? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
One little monkey jumping on the bed. That's not Jack. It is a cat though.
Meow.
Big cat and little baby kitty. Little baby.
Meow.
Long tail.
This is either going to make him not want to go to bed or tired. I don't know. Probably going to wire him all up so he won't go to bed.
One, two, three, go.
2, go. 1, 1, 2, go. Whoa, look at that.
Fancy.
You're going to get too dizzy.
Run around.
You see a boat? Boat?